Want to stop aging in its tracks? This man is doing it, and you can too. Our vegan diet is here to help. Today, we're sharing how you can turn back the clock with one amazing meal inspired by Bryan Johnson. And remember, we have a free ebook for you. Check out the description below. At Vegan Dose, we've spent years researching and experimenting with ways to slow down aging, inspired by Bryan Johnson's incredible dedication to optimizing health. We're excited to share one of our favorite recipes with you today. Bryan Johnson has been working tirelessly to slow his aging, and this recipe is one of his daily go-tos. It's called Super Veggie, a meal where every single ingredient has been chosen for its incredible health benefits. This dish is one of our daily go-tos, and we know you'll love it just as much. Let's get started. First up, weigh and chop your vegetables. Start with 150 grams of cauliflower, which is great for its anti-inflammatory properties and fiber, and 250 grams of broccoli for antioxidants and bowel health. Next, measure out 50 grams of shiitake or maitake mushrooms to boost your immune system, along with 1 clove of garlic and 3 grams of ginger for heart health and better digestion. Boil all of these veggies for 7 to 9 minutes until they're soft and ready to go. For the base of our super veggie, use 150 grams of cooked black lentils. They're packed with protein and fiber, making them the perfect foundation. Once your veggies are ready, add them to the lentils. Now, let's make it even better. Add 1 tablespoon of cumin for liver health, 1 teaspoon of hemp seeds for omega-6 and omega-3, the chopped garlic and ginger, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. And there you have it, Super Veggie. It's a nutritional powerhouse that tastes amazing. If you're in a hurry, blend everything with a bit of water for a creamy, smooth version that's quicker to eat. Whether you blend it or keep it whole, Super Veggie will make you feel energized and rejuvenated. We love it, and we think you will too. Don't forget to grab your free ebook in the description. It's packed with more tips and recipes to keep you feeling your best.